Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Speak Ease channel, your favorite place to learn English easily and with a smile. I'm Anna.
And I'm Liam. Hey there, friends. How are you doing today?
I'm feeling great, Liam. I had a busy day, but I'm excited to be here. How about you?
Same here. My morning was crazy. I spilled my coffee twice, but now I'm ready to talk about something fun.
Oh no, twice? That's a lot of coffee lost. All right, everyone. Today's episode is going to help you talk about your day in simple English.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the like button if you enjoy learning English with us.
Yes, and if you're new here, welcome. We make easy English conversations every week just for you. So today's topic is talking about your day.
That's right. This is something you do every single day, talking about your morning, your afternoon, your night, or just how your day went.
Exactly. These are the words and phrases that help you sound natural in daily conversations with friends, teachers, or coworkers.
So get ready to listen, repeat, and practice with us. Let's begin.
Let's start with the morning. You can say, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Good. You can also say, I get out of bed, or I brush my teeth. Simple, right?
Very simple. Let's try a small role play. Liam, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
Wow, early bird. I usually wake up at 8.
That's late, Anna.
Hey, I need my beauty sleep.
Okay, fair enough.
Now you try, everyone listening. Can you say, what time you wake up? Say it aloud. Pause. Good job.
Next, we can talk about breakfast. You can say, I eat breakfast at home, or I drink tea or coffee.
Or, I don't eat breakfast. That's me sometimes.
That's not healthy, Anna.
I know. Don't copy me, everyone.
Okay, let's review the morning phrases together. Repeat after us. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I go to school.
Nice. You're doing great so far.
Now, let's move on to the afternoon.
You can say things like, I have lunch at 1 p.m. I study English. I work at my office.
Or, if you're at home, you can say, I take a nap. Or, I watch TV.
Let's make it fun with a little conversation.
Sure. Anna, what do you usually do after lunch?
I usually take a short nap, only 20 minutes.
Wow, that's nice. I usually drink more coffee.
Of course you do. You already spilled it twice today.
True. Now it's your turn, listeners. Can you say, what do you do after lunch? Say it aloud. I usually pause. Great, you're really practicing well.
Let's repeat some useful afternoon phrases together. I have a lunch at 1 p.m. I work in the afternoon. I take a nap. I watch TV.
Perfect.
Okay, it's evening time. What can we say?
We can say, I come home at 6 p.m. I take a shower. I have dinner with my family.
And for fun, you can also say, I watch a movie. I play games. I listen to music.
Let's try a mini conversation again. Anna, what do you do in the evening?
I usually cook dinner and then watch a show on Netflix.
Nice. What show?
English learning shows, of course.
Sure.
Now it's your turn, everyone.
Let's say the evening phrases together. I come home at 6 p.m. I take a shower. I eat dinner. I watch TV. I go to bed at 10.
Excellent. You're really improving.
Now let's put everything together. Morning, afternoon, and evening.
We can use linking words like then, after that, or finally.
Example. I wake up at 7. Then I brush my teeth. After that, I eat breakfast. Finally, I go to work.
Nice. Try another one. I work in the afternoon. After that, I come home and take a shower. Then I eat dinner and watch TV.
Now you try. Can you make a short story about your day? Go on, say it out loud. Awesome.
Remember, the best way to improve is to speak, even if you make mistakes.
Yes, don't worry about being perfect. Practice makes progress.
Okay, let's review today's key phrases. Repeat after us one more time.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast. I work or study.
I have lunch. I take a nap.
I come home. I take a shower.
I eat dinner. I go to bed. Great job, everyone.
You just learned how to talk about your day, morning to night.
You can use these sentences every day. Try speaking to a friend or write your daily routine in a notebook.
And remember, the more you practice, the more natural you'll sound.
That's right. You can even comment below and tell us, what time do you wake up? Or what do you do in the evening?
Thank you for learning with us today. You did amazing.
If you like this lesson, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the Speakeasy channel for more easy English practice.
And share this video with your friends who are learning English too.
We'll be back soon with another fun topic. Until then, keep smiling, keep speaking English, and keep learning.
Bye, everyone.
See you next time on Speakeasy channel.